If you hate making slides or feel lost opening PowerPoint, this video should be your new shortcut. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and you're watching Technoholic, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create stunning looking PowerPoint presentation in a very short time with script all inside Microsoft PowerPoint, no third-party software required. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do here is we need to press Windows button and then I'm gonna open PowerPoint. And there we go. So let's start with blank presentation, okay? And then, for example, I wanted to create a presentation over electric cars and why they are the future. So what I can do here is I can click on Copilot. So this is the extension or the tool that I'm gonna use. If you do not see Copilot and want to know how to enable or activate it, then do check out the video link that I have added in the description of this video. Now let me quickly click here on Copilot and click on create a presentation. Now I'm going to create a presentation about why electric cars are future. Okay. And then of course you can also add a reference file. Let's say, you have done certain research or you already have kind of outline of what you would like to cover. You can attach that file directly here, okay, by clicking and then attaching that file. But since I do not have, so I would like Copilot to come up with all the information by itself. So in a way, we are more relying on it without making too much of effort by ourselves. And then the next step here is we need to choose the presentation template. And here actually the good thing is that you can also choose the organization template, which make more sense. Let's say if you are working for an organization and your organization strictly want to follow certain template. Now I'm gonna choose here Microsoft 365 and probably I'm gonna go with this Dune design. And now let's click on select design, and all here now we need to do is hit send. And now you just need to wait for the Copilot to come up with the whole PowerPoint presentation. And there we go. So here you can see we started getting this outline. And if you also would like to add a topic by yourself, you can do that. For example, I'm gonna add a topic where I'm gonna do electric versus hydrogen. Okay. And let's again click on send. So it's gonna add extra topics, which in a way is very cool because this way you're gonna customize it based on your requirement. And then here you can see the number of slides we're gonna have. So right now the estimated number of slides is 24, which is quite decent because there are some third-party add-ons that only can create 8 number of slide or 10 number of slide. But here you are getting quite a generous 40 number of slides. Now after making this modification, now I think the outline look good, where we are starting it with environmental impact, and then I'm gonna talk about the alternative of electric, which is hydrogen, and then advantages of electric car, and maybe if needed we can also add disadvantages. Yeah, maybe. So I'm gonna add another topic here where I'm gonna say disadvantages of electric cars. So my intent here is to show you how we can customize it, or maybe I would like to remove certain things. For example, I would like to remove these government policies, and let's click on generate slides. And there we go. So here we can see the content and look at the pictures. It is quite relevant what we are seeing here. So I'm gonna click here on slideshow and let's actually start the slideshow. And as I was mentioning, not only you're gonna get the slide, but you are also getting the script. So let's say you are not aware of this topic, but still you have something to say. So here we are talking about why electric cars are future to sustainable transport and innovation. So let's say I am a speaker and I only had 10 minutes to prepare this presentation. I have enough content to speak about. So despite I do not have any idea about why electric cars are the future, I can start saying the script. So despite that, I can deliver a stunning speech on it. So what I'm gonna do is, maybe I'm gonna say it like this. Good afternoon everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about why electric cars are futures for sustainable transport and innovation. And then I can start reading the script. You know why? Because the shift toward electric vehicle is a significant step towards sustainable transportation. And in this presentation, we will explore the environmental impact, blah, blah, blah. And then we will be beginning with discussing on environmental impact. So you see how easy it made for me, not only by creating the presentation, but also giving me the script that I can read and can present this whole presentation. So this is, I would say, next level. And look at the pictures, they make perfect sense in this particular scenario. So if this is the case with you, you should definitely consider upgrading your office and can create these stunning looking presentation within PowerPoint in just few clicks. So that's also wrap up this video on how we can create stunning looking presentation inside PowerPoint using Copilot. If you have got any kind of question or doubt in your mind, please feel free to ask me in comment down below. I will definitely try to answer your question ASAP. And if you want to follow us along for more such productivity tips and tricks, do subscribe to Technoholic, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.